What is this paper?
मैंने वो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लिया
1 year.
1 year
Huh? Which question?
last time I answered that question
That you did not get. It's difficult, huh?
मैंने सॉल्व कर लिया
LCM you have taken na 1 or 2 steps of LCM you have taken.
एग्जाम के टाइम पे टेक्स्ट होता है तो जमा
So what paper is this one?
Math.
Of
Quadratic.
AP.
sir.
AP. Done. All got the mark. Somehow a lot of people did not appear na. How much you got? 13. 15.
I didn't get the marks.
You not appear.
I appeared but I'm not good
You not going to tell them mark.
yes
Take that mark. Who else appeared?
Harshita
Ashita, how many you got? You not appear. For paper so
सर उसने भी तो नहीं ना बोला तो उसने नहीं बोला तो
अबे वो पीएल की भी थी
अरे यार
कृषा अबे वो जी आपको से मालूम है
इंडियन पहले पढ़ने लगे
1 2 3 4
ये एग्जाम एपी का सिर्फ
5 6 7 6
जो पूरा पेपर
How much is your mark? Huh? 1 2 3 4 Is it? Arey, we want to see the mark. I'll just get it and know. Shall I?
क्यों नहीं क्यों
You want to think, you know, don't want to tell them.
हाँ ठीक है सर आपको पता चल जाएगा फिर क्या टेंशन
Huh?
से आपको पता चल जाएगा
Okay, next class I will announce it.
नहीं क्यों
नेक्स्ट क्लास 2 की बात है नेक्स्ट क्लास हां
Next class after week 1 week no. After 2 weeks. After 2 weeks.
the both sections
Huh?
both sections
Okay, so quadratic we have we reached the last exercise now.
yes sir in fourth question we have
So that we which one?
अरे उसके बाद का होमवर्क था
हाँ क्या
नहीं बे अरे क्लास में होमवर्क नहीं अबे नहीं था
सही क्या क्लास में होमवर्क था ठीक है होगा
Summer, read the question which one we have not done.
yeah
Fifth one we have done. 9x square by equal roots and find the solution value.
yes sir
Then 6 and 7 the same questions. Did you read the question? 6 and read the question. 6th one.
Find the value of p which the roots of equation px in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0 are equal.
So read the second one.
For what value of k the root of quadratic equation kx in bracket k x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0 equal.
What are the difference between these two? Same thing only now.
Yes sir.
Okay. So roots are equal. First you have to open the bracket and roots are equal condition you have to apply now.
Yes sir.
Okay. Next one. What is the next? Is the 8th one.
If quadratic equation px square minus 2 root 5 px plus 15 equals to 0 has two equal roots, then find the value of p.
That also say no equal roots. All the cases it is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Extra has not come.
No. Sir, I doubt in homework.
What is
I have not discussed this class
class 1 fifth?
yes ये तो कुछ में डाउट है
वो तो
Sir,
सवाल
I
किया था
have homework.
you can see here
What is it? Read the question here.
सर वो सॉल्व हो गया मैं
Read na. A B C
find the
find out.
value of a for which
Tell A B C tell.
9 a is 9 b is minus 24 c is k
C is equal to K.
yeah.
So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So b square is this minus 24 minus 4. Then what is the problem then?
sir after we get k equation will be 9
24 into 24 is equal to 4 into 9 into K. What is the value of K you got?
9
K is equal to 9 you got?
yes
16
16 answer.
Yes.
How did you get 9?
16 answer.
8, 3, 8, 16 now.
Yes, हाँ 16 answer है.
मैंने एक सर को लिखा था तो बोला सही है
Okay, method is correct, but your calculation is wrong. So then what is the case? Also find the root now.
Yes sir.
X is equal to minus b plus or minus 0 by 2a. So b square minus 4ac minus b means 24 upon 2 times 9. इसको करते हैं. Okay. 6 4s are and 6 3s are 4 by 3. Ah. Don't know. Done. Okay. Any other who will start out?
इसका कितना दूर की बात है? अभी बाजू मत किया.
This is what I talk to you. Exams are over or exams are going to start? When?
Sir, my also 80 marks.
Yours is always exam, you know, whenever there is exam. Okay.
So, 80 marks का paper 20 July. Yes, sir. Triangle.
Who is the triangle giver?
Heavy triangle.
Sir, triangle select.
How many exercises of triangles? 2.
3 ना?
First exercise was
Second.
Chalo, okay, so one problem we will discuss, you know,
Exercise code.
So what problem?
Okay, read.
A goal has to be erected at a point on a boundary of circular arc of diameter 13 meters in a such way that difference of distance from two diametrical opposite fixed gates A and B on boundary is 7 meters. It is possible to do so if as what is the distance from two gates should the pole be erected.
मैंने solve करा question.
Equal to 7 meters. Follow the figure. Where is P?
The
Pole. There, this is the diameter now.
yes sir.
Is kept on the boundary such that difference between two distance of the two diametrically opposite points is equal to 7 meters. This much is clear.
Yes sir.
Therefore, indeed, let's say P equal to X, PB is equal to how much you will get? 7 plus X. What is this angle P? What is angle P? What is angle P? What? Angle P is angle P.
Angle subtended by the
What is AB? Diameter.
Diameter.
So angle in a semicircle is how much? Right angle. So this is 90 degree now.
Yes
So
sir.
Pythagoras theorem. Understood or not?
Yes sir.
So x square plus 7
Last
plus
year the circle.
in a semicircle is right angle first time hearing is equal to 13 square. Should I do further?
Yes.
2x square plus 14x minus 120 equal to 0. X square plus 7x minus 60. Possible situation possible?
Yes.
B square minus 4ac. How do you know it's possible? 49. Yes. Minus 4 times 1 times minus 60. Okay. 289. Greater than 0. Therefore, roots are possible. Then roots are real. So solution x equal to minus b means how much is minus b? Minus 7. Plus 1 minus root 289 divided by 2 times 1. Ten by 2, 5 minus 12. 5 minus 12 is not possible. Okay. So what is the distances are? One is PA 5 and PB is equal to 7 plus 5. Okay, the distances are 5 meter and 12 meter from the diameter. So keep it to a side or the other.
अरे बर्फ फिसल रहा है. उधर भी रख के देखा फिसल रहा है.
नीचे ऐसा horizontal है.
Sorry, wait for the marks.
Okay. Done.
Yes.
Okay, now. Any other doubts?
No sir.
हाँ.
Well, fast
ठीक है, बाद में ला सकते.
Did we do the
थोड़ा सा
triangle?
doubt
Not
ज़्यादा नहीं
required. Not tell.
Question number 3 का third question ऐसा बन रहा है.
Read the question.
4x square minus
Equal
2
roots
plus.
na.
तो इसमें करना क्या है?
Equal roots na.
हाँ.
Okay, equation read.
4x नहीं जो मैं बोल x के x square.
अरे
नहीं दूसरा वाला कोई डाउट है. kx square plus kx plus 1 is equal to minus 4x square minus x.
So these are equal roots. First thing what you have to see
Is equal to 0.
So make it the standard form. Is it equal to 0? Is it equal to 0? So make it equal to 0. How do you make it equal to 0?
Okay, so okay, transpose
So this one it will come kx square plus 4x square is k plus 4 times x square. Kx square plus 4x square, understood? Plus kx plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So k plus 4 times x square plus k plus 1 times x plus 1.
So all complicated हो जाएगा.
What is complicated? Then what is it to do? You have to do this one. Then what? You can take ABC. So you have to first thing is you have to make in this form ax square plus bx plus c. So we value of ABC you got. What?
अच्छा अभी दिखाना नहीं है.
Tell
अभी
now
दिखाना
what?
नहीं
Tell
है.
now what is the value of ABC?
Okay, x plus 4 a.
K plus 4.
Sorry, k plus 4.
Then B.
K plus 1.
C.
1.
So B square minus 4 is C. K plus 1 whole square minus 4 times K plus 4 times 1. Should I do for the expand, simplify? Done. Over.
Yes.
Okay. Look here. Now word problems we will do the last exercise later since you all needed the triangles. Okay, so we will do after that. Remind me. Triangles. Similar triangles you have studied. All of you can close the book. It's not required to close the book and listen. Quick certain part of the basics I will explain, and after that only we will go to the very basic things. Complete basics I am not going to do it. The remaining I will discuss congruence. Okay, chalo. Chapter this year we are mainly you are going to do the similarity of the triangles. Okay, till last year we did the congruence of the triangles here. Okay, so we will certain basic things. Point, you know how to mark a point? Yes. How to mark a point? Put a dot. How to give the name? A. Capital letter A, B, C, etc. Collinear points means?
So they lie in the same.
Same line. Points lie on the same line. You know what you mean by plane?
Yes, yes.
What do you mean by plane? Any? Same. Plane.
Line on same.
Line on same plane. What do you mean? Plane means any flat surface. Any flat surface is considered as a plane. Flat surface extend indefinitely. Okay. Basically, if you see means if 2 points are there, let's say A and another one B. If I join every point. If I take this one and if I fold this one, if I put A over here, B joining, will it be this one? It will not be. So suppose if it was this way, it will be on the surface, the plane. Nothing to do, just remember flat surface. Okay. Next line, you know. Yes,
Yes, sir.
let's go this one linear equation. Now, do you know how to give the name of the line?
Yes.
How to give the name of the line?
Line M. Line L.
Lionel, small letters, Lionel, Lionel. Any other way? That is the equation of the line now. Give the name of the line. Which be?
Line segment.
Small
Tell.
letters.
Tell. Take second way is take any 2 points on the line. Capital A, capital B. Okay. This is coming. Listen now. Listen. This is called if I write line AB. What does it mean? Line segment. Or if I write, what is the meaning of this one? Line AB. Understood? 2 points will form a line. 2 points means anywhere, not there is no end point. Can you take the measurement of this line? Indefinitely. Okay, there are 2 ways you can give the line. Just simply line L, small letters of this one. Okay, understood. Parallel lines, intersecting lines, all we are done in linear equation. I don't need to say. Lines, parts, line segment. What do you mean by line segment? It is a part of a line having 2 endpoints. Okay, but it has definite endpoints. Suppose if I remove this one. Okay, this is a line segment. How will you write the line segment? Name of the line segment? AB, simply if I write AB, or simply if I write this way, or segment AB, all of them, anyone, simply this is enough, okay, that is AB. Okay, line means you have to write line AB. You know, okay, segments are parts of. Can you find the midpoint of this segment?
Yes.
If it is a segment, definite length means it has a definite. What do you mean by midpoint? Who will tell?
So it divides
Line into two equal parts.
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular point which divide this segment into two equal parts. Means C is the midpoint, means length of AC and length of BC are equal. Aditya, where are you? Then as well as, so if AC is equal to BC, listen, and again another condition, AC is equal to half of that already said no. AC is equal to half of AB. BC is equal to half of AB, or AB is equal to 2AC. AB is equal to 2BC. These all meaning is the C is the midpoint. So any way you can write it, they're all the same thing. Clear? Okay. So that is the segment is coming. Now midpoint. What do you know what do you mean by bisect?
Yes.
What do you mean by bisect? Actually, bisect both the ways, angle also is there, segment also. Okay, here if I write, if I draw this one, if the line L bisects AB means line L divides the AB into two equal parts, or point C bisects. Bisect what means it is not necessarily the angle, it can be two equal parts. Bisect. Bisect a line segment means divide into two equal parts. Okay, bisecting. Now, ray, you know what the meaning of ray? What's a ray? One endpoint, part of a line with one endpoint. I don't need to explain. Okay, this is the part of the lines we discussed. Okay, then next is coming as an angle. Angle formed. How is an angle is formed? Mira, what is an angle? No.
Triangle.
Angle. Triangle we are not reached. Angle. Two rays with a common endpoint. When two rays are joined with a common endpoint, then it is an angle is formed. Okay, this is the endpoint, and these are called the arms of the angle. Heard about? This is
But
about.
sir, how are they both raised? If it is a triangle,
This is who said it is a triangle? I said
okay.
how do you read? This is called what? Angle. Okay. You are still over here. Okay. Chalo, angle we are, triangle we are not reached. Okay. Okay. So give their parts of. Now look here. So how do you know how to give them? And these are the arms, and this point is called the this point is called the
10 points.
10th standard we are studying now.
Yes, sir.
All are studying 10th standard. Have you heard about vertex? 6th standard. Okay, vertex. Do you know how to give the name of an angle?
Yes, sir.
Yes, how to give?
ABC.
A, B, any 3 points, A, B, C. Okay, next, Harshita, give the name of this angle. Tell the name of this angle. Loudly. Huh? PQ. What is the name of this angle? Tell no angle ABC. Tell the name of this angle. Any other way can you tell this name? Angle CB. You don't know. Any other way you can tell the name of this angle? Angle B. Okay. Vertex should be in the middle. Angle ABC, angle CBA, or angle B. But with vertex more than one angle, don't make that vertex only. Okay. Middle letter should be vertex. All of you know. I don't measuring the angle. All of you know that is the construction. We will come. We will ask you. Okay. Types of angles. Any type of angles you know. Okay. Okay. So one by one. Okay. What do you mean by acute angle?
The angle less than 90 degrees.
Angle whose measurement is less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. Another angle. What do you mean by this angle? More than 90 degree, but less than 360. Less than 180. Those who don't know, these all open the book and write down in your book. Okay. I don't think it's required. Those who don't know. Okay, less than, all of you know how to draw it?
Yes.
All of you know. Okay, another angle.
Right angle.
What do you mean by right angle?
90 degree.
Making an angle of 90 degree. Do you know what is the meaning of the name perpendicular?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by perpendicular?
Which bisect the line.
Bisect. Perpendicular means bisecting. What do you
Which
mean by
makes the 90
perpendicular?
degree on the line.
Makes them 90 degree. If perpendicular to each other means angle between them is equal to
90 degree.
Another angle. What do you mean by reflex angle?
More than 180 and less than
More than 180 but less than 360 degrees. So here reflex angle, can you see over here?
Yes,
This
sir.
part is called reflex angle. How you have to write? Reflex angle ABC. Okay, you know how will you measure the reflex angle ABC? 360 minus the measure of this angle. Okay, reflex angle. Then more types of angles not required. Complete angle. Do you know what is complete angle?
Yes, sir.
360 degrees. Straight angle.
180 degree.
180 degree. Okay, these are the.
Sir, एक बार complementary supplementary शब्द
That is not come, Dory. Relax now. This much whatever I said you have followed. Okay, that much no problem now. Then tomorrow when I ask you give something else. Now, okay, these are the types of angles followed. Now we go to the pair of angles. Pair. Okay, pair means how many? Two angles. Okay. What do you mean by this one? Complementary angle. You, Saina.
complementary sum of the angles which is 90.
Sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees is called complementary. Understood? If one angle is 40, what is the complement of 40? 50. 90 minus 40, which is equal to 50. One angle is 100. Not possible. Couple complementary angle should be always less than 90. Understood? Now, what do you mean by supplementary angle? Sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay? Clear? Complementary means sum is 90 degree and this one supplementary means sum is equal to 180. Any two angles. Clear? Okay. Do you know what do you mean by vertically opposite angle? Anyone knows what do you mean by vertically opposite angle? Yes.
So the angles found opposite to each other when two lines intersect.
When two lines intersect each other, the opposite angles formed are called vertically opposite angles. Are you followed, all of you?
Yes, sir.
When two lines intersect each other, means let's say line AB and line CD intersect each other at the point let's say O, vertically opposite angle. Which are vertically opposite angles?
AOC, AOD, and CO.
Okay, property of vertically opposite angle. They are always equal. Okay, always equal. Understood? Suppose if it is coming here this way. Are they vertically opposite angles?
No,
Why
sir.
they are not vertically opposite angles? Not the straight lines. Okay, remember, simply don't take all these two are vertically and these two are vertically. Straight line should be there. Okay, that is a vertically opposite angle. You know what are adjacent angles?
Yes, sir.
Yes, who can tell? Samarth
Sir,
With one ray
and Samarth.
one ray common and the sum is 180.
Sum is 180.
That is linear. Linear.
Adjacent angle,
one ray is common.
one ray is common.
And one vertex. And one layer, one vertex.
Over. Anything else? Three properties should satisfy. You know which are three properties? They should have a common vertex. They have a common arm. Then third property, the non-common arm lie on the opposite side of the common arm.
Yes.
Are you followed? Look here. Kritika, how many angles are here in this figure? Two. Only two. Aryan, what do you think? How many angles are there in this figure? Loudly. Two. Arya, what do you think? Six.
Other reflex really.
Reflex angle don't go. Simply normal angle. Okay. There is no. Six. Yes, what you said is correct. 6 you can take, you reflex, 3 reflex you can get. No. Okay, 3 pair of
Reflex nahi hai kya?
reflex if it is taken. Okay, very good. So, can you give the name of reflex forget? Okay, can you give the name of 3 angles over here? Tell first.
AOB.
One is angle AOB, second is angle BOC, Third is
AOC.
AOC. Okay, these angles are there. Now, look here. AOB and BOC. Common vertex. Common arm. Then which are the non-common arm? OA and OC. They lie opposite sides. See this one. Opposite side. Are you following or not?
Yes.
Opposite side of the common arm. Understood? They are adjacent angle. Clear, all of you? No. If you look AOB and AOC, are they adjacent angles? Why?
So they don't come on.
First two properties will satisfy. Common vertex, common arm, but the non-common arm are on the same side. See, they are on the same side. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, adjacent angle followed. Linear pair angles.
So they say
Two adjacent angle whose sum is equal to 180. Means the non-common arm form
straight line.
oppositely straight line. Okay, linear pair action. Do I need to explain?
No.
Is all clear now?
Yes.
Why I am telling this on geometry? Whenever these all things come, I will not explain again. Understood? Supplementary angle means any two angles. It's not necessary to be. I draw one angle over here and one draw angle. The sum is 180 means they are. Linear pair means they should be adjacent. This way. Common vertex should be there. See here, these two angles are linear pair angles as well as adjacent angles. Okay, as well as supplementary also. Over here, if I take this one, okay, this is 120 degree, this is 60 degree, add up to 180 degree. They are which type of angles? Supplementary angles, but they are not linear pair. Are you following the difference?
Yes.
Okay. So that is a condition. Adjacent angles you got. This one is a linear pair angles you got. Now I am going to vertically opposite angles you got. Have you heard about transversal? Or line which cuts any two lines, not necessary to be parallel. Why parallel means the properties will satisfy only for parallel lines. Okay. So like I'll draw as okay, like you line L, T is the transversal. Okay, transversal is coming. I just name this point as, let's say, A and this point as B. Do you know what is this segment AB? There is a name for this segment AB. Line segment AB. Any? Segment AB. Anyone?
Part of transversal.
Huh?
Part of transversal.
Part of transversal. The
Intertransversal.
Intersecant.
Intersecting line.
Intercept.
intercept, equal intercept theorems and all like in the extended you studied. Okay. This is, you never studied it online. Yeah, already. Okay. Intercept. Okay now. We have
Cut हो गया.
This part is called the intercept. Okay. Now look here. Anyway, that we don't have anything to do right now. Just now when the lines are formed, I can mark the angles as this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, let's say this is 6, 7, any order I can write 8. 8 angles are formed now.
Yes.
Aryan, tell the vertically opposite angle. Loudly. 4 and 8. Where is 4? This 4 and this here is vertically opposite. 4 and 2. Loudly speak here. Then 1 and 3. Then here nothing. 6 and 8, 5 and 7. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. Okay, next one. Adjacent angles or linear pair angles. 1 and 4, 2 and 3. With 1 and 2 is not linear pair. Or we host so tell that one. No, tell 6. You went to 6 now.
ठीक है 1 and 4 1 and 2 2 and 3 and 4 6 and 5 5 and 8
How many pairs you got? 8 pairs are there. Okay, adjacent angle. Okay, now we will Darshan tell the corresponding angles here.
1 and 5.
1 and 5. Okay.
4 and 6.
4 and 6.
2 and 8.
2 and 8. 3 and 7. All of you seeing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, corresponding angles.
Angles at the same side
Okay.
of transverse.
Angles are not the same side of the transversal. There are different. These are not corresponding angles. Okay, they are also same side of the transversal. If you see, you know what is the property of the corresponding angle? If the lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. Or opposite also. If corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. You will see corresponding angles are this way. Vertex of, let's say, F format. Any form of F. Like if here. Okay, corresponding angles. Even if it is this way. Okay, even opposite also. Okay, it's not necessarily this one exactly a pattern. That's equally I'm showing. Okay. These two angles are which angles? Corresponding angles. Identify. Okay. Always you will not see the figure this way. Okay, interchange, triangle, parallelogram, and all it comes. And then corresponding angles set. Okay, alternate interior angles.
Alternate interior angles 2, 6,
2, 6,
3, 5.
3, 5. Are you followed? Alternate interior angles are 2, 6, and 3, 5. Property.
They are equal.
They are equal when the lines are parallel. Okay. And alternate interior angles are Z form. Or even you can say N also this way, any form. Okay. Just all of you. All of you follow.
Yes, sir.
Why I am showing this way, when the figure comes, you should identify. Then the lines are for alternate interior angles. Okay. Third one is coming as which one? Co-interior angles. Or interior angles on the same side of the transversal, or another way it is coming as what? Consecutive interior angles. Do you know? Do you know? Yes or no? Speak.
Yes, sir.
China. Acha Vedant. Okay, since long time. Okay, tell. Consecutive interior angles.
Means the angle 2 plus angle 5 equals 180.
5, 3 and 6. What is the property?
3 and 6.
What is the property of a consecutive interior angles?
So the sum of the interior angles is 180.
Some of them consecutive. When the lines are parallel, so consecutive interior angles 2 and 5, 3 and 6. Their sum is equal to 180. Yeah. Okay. Ashita. Okay, consecutive interior angles. So these pair of angles you followed now.
Yes,
Different pairs of angles when it comes us. So these are the conditions for the angles coming. Quickly, once name of the triangle cycle, properties of the then congruence and all properties of the triangle later I will discuss. Now, name of the triangles. What is the triangle? Triangle. Okay, tell. Yeah. Huh? You want to tell now? Tell loudly. Yes. Shape which has 3 sides are any shape which has 3 sides are called Leucian triangle. Shape. Okay. Anyone? Polygon of 3 sides is called a triangle. Okay. Oh. Whatever 3 sides are there. Okay. This also is there. How many sides are there? Okay. This also. Okay. So is a triangle for you? Okay. So triangle means what is it? A polygon of 3 sides. Do you know what is meant by polygon? Just remember it was a closed figure. All the sides are line segments. Okay. Joel, there are a lot of properties of that. At least remember a closed geometrical figure. Sides are line segments. Okay. Polygon of 3 sides is called a triangle. Polygon of 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. Polygon of 5 sides, pentagon. 6 sides, hexagon. Okay, triangle. So a triangle has how many sides are there? 3 sides. How many angles are there? 3 vertices. 3. Okay, now was made other class. Oh, one more. Okay, Arya. What is the name of this triangle? Triangle ABC. Okay. Harshita, tell me another name of this triangle. Huh?
Another name.
You hello. You are some special speak some special economics. Or economics.
एक बार वापस
Yeah. Okay. Why? Stand up. You stand up.
मेरा बाल को
Yes, tell me another name of this. CAB, BAC. Any order you can tell. It's not that always triangle is ABC.
sorry
Okay, now look here. Now this one triangle. So now types of triangle. So how many? What angle? Some property.
The sum of all angles 360.
Sum of the
180, sorry, 180.
sum of the angles of the triangle. Sum.
180.
Huh?
So that is angle plus angle.
180.
Sum of the angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. Ritika, so how about the sum of the sides?
Sum of the all sides is equal to
Sum
Sum of
Sum of all the angles is equal to
sum of all sides. How about sum of the sides? Yes.
The sum of two sides is greater than
Sum of all the sides.
all
Sum of all sides is called its perimeter. It varies from triangle to triangle. Okay, now there is no property. Okay, whereas angles always there is a sum is equal to 180. Okay, there is nothing. Two sides is inequality, comma sum of two sides is. Will call the okay, listen now. Now she is not telling anything now. Okay. Now PQR is over. I'll learn next time. Okay, types of triangles. You know. Also know that you know any type of triangle? Don't know. Yes, I know.
Equilateral triangle.
What is equilateral triangle?
All the sums are equal.
All the sums are
Equal.
all sides are equal. Then how about all angles?
they are
60 degrees.
So all angles are equal to 60 degrees. That is called an equilateral triangle. Another type of triangle.
isosceles.
What is isosceles triangle?
Two sides are equal.
Two sides are equal. What else? About angles?
It's opposite.
Two angles are equal.
Yes, sir.
Angles opposite to equal
Sides
sides
are
are
equal.
equal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In isosceles triangle, do you know what do you mean by base? Somewhere you will see base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. Yes or no? What do you mean by base of an isosceles triangle?
The
Side
side
which is unequal.
Which is unequal is called unequal side is called the base.
Base.
Only in a triangle base means any side. Okay. Unequal angle is called the
Unequal angle?
all our text now.
Sir,
नहीं वो तो एक
अलग है
Listen.
अलग
All of you listen. Do you know what is an isosceles triangle?
Yes, sir.
What is an isosceles triangle?
opposite angles.
Two angles are equal, third angle is not equal to this one. Therefore, this unequal angle is called vertical angle. Okay, vertical angle. Now, question: is it an equilateral triangle? Is an isosceles triangle?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
angles opposite are equal.
You have to check what do you mean by isosceles triangle. In a triangle, if two sides are equal, third side is equal or not equal, you don't need to check. Okay. So all in the triangle, three sides are equal, two sides are automatically equal. Now, okay. Now another type of triangle, scalene triangle. Do you know what is my scalene triangle?
All sides are unequal.
All sides are unequal. Okay. Any other type of triangle? Any other type of
Right
triangle?
angle triangle.
Okay. What is the right angle triangle?
So the angle of the triangle is 30.
Wow. How many angles?
Only one.
How about the other two angles?
They are the sum of the other.
They are less than 90.
They are
Yes,
acute.
supplementary.
Okay. In a triangle, supplementary.
Complementary.
Okay, in a triangle, one angle is 90 degree and other two angles are less than 90. Any other type of triangle?
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle triangle. What is obtuse angle triangle?
One angle is greater.
One angle is obtuse and other two angles are acute. Are you following? Because now whatever I said, I'll ask you. You know, Any other type of?
Acute angle triangle.
Oh, okay, here one PQ or Y here, so PQ. Okay, now
Acute angle triangle.
acute angle triangle.
One angle is acute angle and other two. Okay, two angles.
All angles are
angles
acute.
are acute.
Array, in a triangle.
Equilateral triangle.
Look here. You want equilateral. In a triangle, one angle only 90° possible. Nah? Two angles cannot be no 90°. Can you draw a triangle with two angles 90°? Can you draw two angles with obtuse? No, no. Is it? No. I think more than 90 means that itself is gone more than 180. No? Not possible. So, in a triangle, all the angles are acute. Can you draw a triangle with all angles less than 60°?
No, sir.
No,
Not possible because some will be less than 180. Can you draw a triangle with all angles more than 60°?
Yeah,
No,
no,
sir.
no,
60 and 90 degrees triangle.
Also,
All
okay, tell
angles.
us example. All angles more than 60 means it will be sum is more than 180, na? 60 plus 60 plus 60 is 180. So it should be one is 60, other two are less. Sorry, one is more than 60, other two are less than 60.
So 2 can be more than 60.
No, two more than 80 and 80 or like that also, or 80 and 70. Okay, like that. Okay, so triangle this is the one. I'm not going altitude, median and angle bisector for the time being. Properties I have to explain, it will take a lot of time. Okay, I'm stopping over here. Types of quadrilateral, all of you, basic parallelogram, all of you now.
Yes.
Yes.
Later I will come once again this altitude, median and angle bisector. Otherwise these exercises will not complete by today. That's why I will be stopped. Okay, parallelogram, you know what is it?
Yes.
Opposites are basically trapezium and parallelogram, all of you know.
Yes.
Trapezium, you know what is a trapezium?
One pair of
One pair of opposite sides are
parallel.
but trapezium. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. That is called a trapezium. Understood? Should I draw the figure? Okay, trapezium got it. Okay, then trapezium you got. And what is a parallelogram? Both a pair of opposite sides are. Once again, it's a parallel, equal, diagonals bisect each other like that. Okay. Now let's come to we have to talk the term of congruence. Do you know congruence? What about congruence?
Yes, sir.
What is, when do we say objects are congruent?
So that they have same shape and same size.
Very good. Then two objects of the same size and same shape, they are called congruent objects. Understood? Two objects of the same size and the same shape are called congruent objects. Clear? Okay, can I give two congruent objects example quickly? Congruent objects. Tell. Two Nataraj erasers are congruent of the same. Okay. Two UT volumes of these one max volumes are congruent, or two pen of the same company. At the switches. Okay, congruent. Okay, same size and the same shape are called the congruent. Or if you look at the AC of the same company of the same brand, or they are congruent objects. Understood now?
Yes.
Okay, now congruent objects we got. Now we have to come to the result. When do we say two line segments are congruent? Equal length. Okay, so symbol for congruence, all of you know.
Yes, sir.
Equal and
Okay, all of you know. When do we say two angles are congruent? Is it followed now? That will come later. Okay, when do we say two angles are congruent? Equal measure. 60° and 60° congruent, 45. Okay, now then when do we say two triangles are congruent? First.
When the angles are same. And the
Sides
sides
and
are not sides.
Superimposing for now that all superimposing points and over.
So
Now
there are
geometry.
three types.
When do we say two triangles? Open the notebook, right? Two triangles are said to be congruent. Right. 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 Triangles. Any place. Right. Two triangles are right. You don't need write down. Two triangles are said to be congruent. Two triangles are said to be congruent if the corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. One is corresponding angles are equal, and corresponding sides are equal. Corresponding angles are equal, and corresponding sides are equal. What is written over here? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Listen, what is the meaning? 6 correspondences you are getting. Which are the 6 correspondence? Corresponding angle means angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. 3 correspondence of the angles. Is it angle A and angle R are equal? No. So order is very important. AB is equal to PQ. BC is equal to QR. AC is equal to PR. These parts, these are called congruent. These are called CPCT. Yes or no? When you write angle A is equal to angle B, you reason what did you write? CPCT. After writing this one, okay. This given means given. After proving, we write AB equal to PQ. Reason is CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent. Now, next is to prove 2 triangles congruent. Different tests of congruence are there. You know how many tests are there? Yes.
Sir, total number I can say that.
Tell.
SSS.
Yeah, first you tell SAS. Second one. SSS. Then ASA. AAS. RHS. These are the 5 tests of congruence. Only these 5 only.
Sir, AS and AS are same.
Okay, this is the 5. Nine also is different. Okay, 10 also is different. Listen now. Okay. SAS means you know what you SAS? Yes, SAS.
Side angle.
S represents side, A represents angle. Don't tell side angle side. 2 sides and the included angle. Remember that. Okay. 2 sides and the included angle. What do you mean by SSS? All the 3 sides are corresponding. What do you mean by ASA? 2 angles and the included side. And what is this one? 2 angles and any side. Not necessarily that included side. Okay. If it is ASA means automatically you get AS also because the angle some property. But you don't need 2 angles and any side. These are 2 different things. It is not that always equal. In a triangle, in 2 triangles, if 2 pair of angles are equal, automatically the 3rd pair will be equal. That's the rule. Okay. RHS. It is only for which type of triangle? Right angle triangles. 2 right angle triangles, hypotenuse and the side are equal to the hypotenuse and the side. Okay. RHS. Now, if in the question, listen here. You prove 2 sides and 1 angle. Which are the tests to be looked for? To prove congruence. If you prove 2 sides and 1 angle, either SAS or cut on RHS. Okay, because it's not necessarily SAS. It can be RHS also. If in a question you proved all 3 sides means SSS. If you 2 angles and 1 side, either it is ASA or AS. Understood all of you?
Yes.
Okay, these are the conditions of the congruent. Now, do you know what is the difference between, sorry, next is coming this basic concept of the congruence I said. Now, next is similarity. Do you know what you mean by two figures are similar? 2 objects are similar?
Not congruent.
Right.
But they are of the same
So they are
shape.
same.
Right. 2 objects are of the same shape. 2 objects of the same shape. 2 objects are of the same shape. Not necessarily to be the same size. Okay, not required to write. Same shape. Okay. So, how about every congruent objects? Are they similar?
Yes.
Every congruent objects are similar. Not necessarily the same size. Not necessarily the same size. That is optional to write. 3 shapes are same. Okay, can you give any similar objects? Similar objects, similar objects, similar objects.
Sir,
One,
big
tell.
triangle, small triangle.
Always triangles are similar.
Sir, ball.
Ball. Okay. Two small sizes, big ball, more small ball. Okay. Good. Okay. Spheres. Small big ball. Okay. Other ones. Circles are similar always. Okay. Other ones. Similar things. No. Okay. Forget about geometrical shape. No. Other ones. Papa beta. So, actually, your father is shape. Okay. Hello. The similar means it is not like that. Okay. Similar. Even these stands are similar. Not necessarily the same similar. Okay. Look here. Similar means I tell you. Maybe some of the buildings also. When the buildings are constructed, you know what they do. Builders are make the model of that one. You know what is the model? Simply they don't make. They measure. Or simple thing. You geography, you make the this one no. You map is there no?
Yes,
So how the map is made? Simply proportionally. The scale factor is written over there no. What is the scale factor? India's map is similar to India. The boundary 1 kilometer is represented by 1 centimeter. That is called similar. This enlarge or for a simple one, when you go for take a photograph, you will give a sheet of photos now. In that one small stamp size is a passport size. They are all similar, enlarged or reduced. They are called the similar ones. Understood? Or now it's coming as empathy is coming. You will see in the empathy there is small size, big size. They are similar ones generally. Generally, okay, similar ones. Understood now? Similar follow. Shape is same. That is what we know. Now we go to the similar polygon. You need a break for 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Needed. I need to call for some.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, 5 minutes.
देखो समझ में आ गया मुझे
इजी चैप्टर है
हाँ तो चला था यहाँ से
यार चले नहीं जाऊंगा टाइम कर दी है वो दिक्कत है
वही जहाँ पे आ रहा है
अबे बस दो ट्राई कर देंगे
मेरे से
उसमें दोनों में पहले लाइन होगी
80 मार्क्स एग्जाम और मेरे
तेरा
को सेम
स्कूल महान है
मेरे को सेम
बस इतना दिमाग लगा के फाइंड आउट करना दो कौन सी तो लाइन पहले है फिर अपने आप खुद हो जाएगा
इसका स्कूल तो अगर टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं है वो भी पूछेगा
मैं बता रही हूँ
वहाँ स्कूल का नाम क्या है
रामचंद्र ठाकुर
तेरा वहाँ ज्वाइन ही क्यों किया और कोई स्कूल नहीं गए
मुझे डीपीएस में हुआ था मेरा बाल भारती में होता हर जगह पे होगा था बट
बार बार में तेरा हो गया था
होता नहीं लोगों को
हाँ होता नहीं है
एक्चुअली मैं 6 से ट्राई कर रही
बड़ी मुश्किल से मैं आई ना
मेरे को जो मैंने स्क्रीन में बताना करीब मेरे पापा के
मेरा डीपीएस केवल में हुआ था अरे मैंने बोली तो मेरे को
बड़ी मुश्किल से नहीं
बात क्या
नहीं 13 साल
मेरे को तो बिल्कुल
फिर छोड़ क्यों दिया बहुत अच्छा स्कूल है
कुछ होता नहीं
पढ़ाई
सब कुछ नहीं
मेरा वहाँ पर हुआ था फिर मेरी माँ के अगर वैसे पास रामजेठा को भी
पर रामचंद्र ठाकुर कौन चूज करता है बाल भारती और टीपीएस के कंपैरिजन
तो पास
अरे वो दूर स्टैंडर्ड से बात कर रहा है मेरे को मिल
बस
नहीं रहा है
यार ये जैसे कोई मिलता भी नहीं है
बस
मिल नहीं रहा है
मैंने
मेरे
देखा है,
को
मैंने
नहीं
नहीं लेते वो लोग पता है इजीली मुझे इतना मुश्किल से लिया था
कैसे लिया
अबे मेरिट देख के भाई मेडल
चेस चेस के ऐसे मुझे पाया था मुझे नहीं मिलता मैं आई थी
आपने कौन
क्या मतलब
वो जो ऐसा चिप निकालते हैं
मैं
सारे नाम होते हैं उससे चिप निकालते हैं
और दैट इज फॉर द लकी करके
हाँ तो उन्होंने क्या किया था उस साइड चिप निकाला मेरा नाम अलग है
हाँ इसका नाम रखो ये हमने किया मेरे को जो पापा को ऐसे नहीं कहते यहाँ पे ये फोन सर्टिफिकेट का वही मैच अच्छे में तब जाकर
मेरे इतने कोई
ये जो 50 सर्टिफिकेट थे 5 मिनट से वो पकड़ा दिए
मैं ट्रांसफर एप्लीकेशन से हो गया था बाय
हाँ तूने क्यों नहीं ज्वाइन किया फिर
मुझे
ट्रांसफर लेना मतलब टीसी ना
और मुझे रामजेठा को रिव्यू बहुत अच्छा आया था आई वाज लाइक कि
टीसी से क्या बात भारती को क्या वो तो हर स्कूल में टीसी
हाँ ना मैं भी टीसी लेकर आया
तो टीसी ले आए चलो मैं ले
हो जाएगा तुम्हारा अरे वाह हो जाएगा
स्कूल को पैसों की
मेरे को
जरूरत
इंटरव्यू भी लिया था बाल भारती में एक
नहीं, मैं तो बिना
मैंने
interview
पूछा
के
आपका नाम क्या है
उनको
मैंने आपको
पैसों
बोला कि क्या करना है फिर मेरे को पूछा रैंक क्यों छोड़ी बोला मम्मी ने छुड़वा मेरे को पता नहीं क्या हुआ मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता था मैंने क्यों छोड़ी
मम्मी को छुड़ा दी थी नाइस
मम्मी को पता नहीं क्यों छोड़ी तो भाई मुझे नहीं पता क्यों छोड़ी मैंने देखो तो छोड़नी भी नहीं थी
मेरे को भी मेरी
लेकिन आई वेरी अच्छा मैथमेटिक्स है।
नहीं पर मेरे दोस्त का ज्यादा भाई और भाई मैं स्टार्टिंग से उधर
मैं बहुत
इधर
मैं बहुत पहले एजुकेशन सीनियर केजी नर्सरी में मैं डीपीएस आर्मी स्कूल में थी सीनियर केजी नर्सरी में इतना भाई लीडरशिप चलती थी क्लास में आई स्वेयर ऐसा क्लास में रह गया होमवर्क नहीं करा इतना पनिशमेंट उसके बाद हमारा पीटी लगा
नर्सरी में पनिशमेंट
हां
क्या बोल रहे हो उधर ना हम लोग आराम
अपने नर्सरी में होमवर्क कौन देता है
हाँ
मैं आर्मी स्कूल में
क्या पढ़ते थे उधर
भाई,
क्या उधर क्या भगाते थे
डिक्टेटरशिप भाई मैं बता
क्या
रहा हूं
भगाते थे आगे स्कूल में जाओ भागो 2 किलोमीटर बच्चों में
हाँ सुबह सुबह आती पहले रनिंग छोटे बच्चों से लेके सारे बड़े 10 से लेके पागल बच्चों की तरफ भाग कर
अरे ऐसे नर्सरी के बच्चों
भाई नर्सरी के बच्चे मर जाएंगे
रैंडलिंग हो जाएगी मर जाएंगे बच्चे
अरे टेंथ का कोई
फाइटिंग वगैरह सिखा देते हैं मैं बचपन से
नर्सरी का बच्चा गिर गया ऊपर ट्वेल्थ बच्चे
नर्सरी वाले कैसे
वो नर्सरी का बच्चा उसके पैर की साइज का होगा
ना मेरा
उसका मुंह
मेरी
है
हाइट अच्छी थी नर्सरी में
बोल रहा है
इधर के जो मिलती थी
इसके बाद नहीं मिले फिर चक्के मार
दूसरा पेपर नहीं मिला क्या दूसरा जो पेपर हुआ था
साइंस का ना नहीं
तो हमारे स्कूल का पहला दिन था बारिश हो गई सारे बच्चे एक ही गेट में भाग गए उधर दूसरे गेट खाली पड़े उधर नहीं जाएंगे कोई भी स्टेयर्स खाली पड़ी इधर ही जाना है
मुझे अभी भी याद है
पेंसिल
मेरे
था
फर्स्ट टाइम हो
और
गया
ऊपर से प्रिंसिपल क्या बोलती है नाउ वी टू दिस पर्सन इन लाइन में किसी ने घंटा उसको भाव नहीं दिया सब भाग गए
जब भी मैं फर्स्ट टाइम मुंबई आया था ना, तो स्कूल में एडमिशन लिया था मैं जूनियर केजी में वो बोले मेरी हाइट ज्यादा है तुम सीनियर में एडमिशन मत लो डायरेक्ट फर्स्ट में मुझे कोई हाइट
मुझे
ज्यादा
होता है।
हाइट
हां बोले अच्छा नहीं लगेगा तो बोले एक बात है वो फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में ले लो गिरता नहीं आता ABCD मतलब मेरा क्लास का होता है ना वो हिंदी का
अरे ऐसी कौन सी चीज है
भाई कुछ नहीं आता
बंद हो गई होगी अब तक मेरे को
ये
लगता है
मैंने पढ़ा हुआ है
इतनी कर
मैंने क्लास लगाया था बस लिखने के लिए ABCD उन्होंने पहले दिन लिख के दिया इसके ABCD दिया अगले दिन मम्मी गई उसी के लिए लगा ABCD सिखाना आपने लिख के दिए
अरे अपनी क्लास के स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल
तो केस किया इसने
अरे
कब
दिल्ली में किधर तो पिछले 2 दिन आई नहीं
हां क्यों क्या हुआ इसका मर्डर ऑर्डर किया
अरे तुम्हारी कौन है
इसको बड़ी कल्पना मैम थे
हां
क्यों
मर्डर ऑर्डर किया
अरे पेरेंट्स पर चंपल लेके तो
वो लोग चले जाते हैं ना एक तो ऐसी सोती रहती है
That's Anika, public demand, Darshan. Come, okay. Yeah, right.
सर 2 polygons
Two polygons are said to be similar. Two polygons are said to be similar. One word I forgot. Two polygons of same number of sides.
Okay.
सर पूरा कट करूं क्या?
Right now, saying
Arrow
number
डाल,
two
arrow.
polygons of same number of sides are said to be similar if one corresponding angles are equal. If there are two properties, one corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Written.
Yes.
Second, corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. Proportional means what? Equal ratio.
Equal ratio corresponding.
Equal. Corresponding angles are corresponding angles. The first one written, all of it equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Second one, corresponding sides are proportional. Or corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Okay. Done.
Yes.
Any matter of it? She will tell all these things. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh, palak paneer. Listen.
मेरा अपग्रेड है सर
पालक से पालक पनीर पनीर ही मिल गया तो
Okay. So corresponding sides
सर
are.
पालक ही नहीं है पनीर नहीं खा
Okay.
ठीक है पालक पनीर
Why?
सर अपग्रेड से मेरा ना पालक पनीर भी सेव करेगी
हाँ बैठ जा
So bring next day. Okay. I'll ask Aina to bring some roti or something.
बटर ना
Okay, chalo, listen. So listen all of you. The equal ratio followed now.
Yes.
Okay. Similar. Now next below you can write if two polygons are congruent, then they are similar. If two polygons are congruent, then they are similar. But the converse may not be true. Then they are similar. Converse may not be true. Okay, converse means opposite. Means similar polygons are not necessarily to be congruent. Understood or not?
Yes.
Now, look here, notation, look here. Ritika, do you know what is written over here? Quadrilateral ABCD. Similar to quadrilateral PQRS. What is written? Quadrilateral ABCD.
PQRS
Saina. Okay. Quadrilateral ABCD is similar to quadrilateral PQRS. Listen. Then, if they are similar, you will get corresponding angle means angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. And angle D is equal to angle S. These are the corresponding angles are equal. Now sides means, look here. AB, don't write AB, have nothing to do AB. Ratio between AB and PQ will be equal to ratio between BC and QR is equal to CD upon RS. Both sides AD upon PS. This is the ratio. Ratio followed. What is the meaning of ratio? Suppose it is 4/8. Means how much? 1/2. This will be 6/12. This will be 5/10. Okay, or 7/40. Ratio should be equal.
Yes.
Okay. Not that AB and PQ are equal. Followed. 4/8 means 1/2. This with 6 means this should be 12. Then only 1/2. 1/2. Ratio should be equal. What is the doubt? No doubt. Okay. This is the condition. So followed. What is the meaning of the similar polygons? Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding sides are proportional. Okay. Now how proving and all. Polygons you don't have much to do. Remember certain things. Examples. Examples of similar. Circles are always similar. For a reason, they are of the same shape. There is no sides or not. Okay. Equilateral triangles are always similar. Again, if you want the same shape, you can do. Or side angles are equal, sides are proportional. Equilateral triangle side 3 centimeter. And now down is 5 centimeter. Everything you get 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 3 by 5. You get no. Are you following? Squares are always similar. Understood or not? Okay. These are the similar figures are coming. Main 3 pairs I said circles, equilateral triangles, squares. 2. Now, how about rectangle? Are they always similar?
No.
Length and breadth can be? No.
They are not always.
Look here.
But the center themselves.
A, B, C, D. To prove similarity, what all you have to check? Angle should be, and the sides are proportional. Suppose it is coming in, this is 5. And it's still not. You're telling something?
No, they're all angles are equal.
Similar.
EQRS. Is the strength change? Similar, not similar? Similar.
Size variation.
So sides are different.
Check now. Angle A is listen. We will tell all the conditions, everyone problems. Angles are equal, you call out angle A equal to B, angle B is equal to angle C equal to angle A is equal. Ratio thing, AB upon PQ, how much?
1 by 1.
BC upon QR,
1 by 1.
CD upon RS, same 1 by 2 now, and AD upon DS, 1 by 2. Therefore, ABCD and PQRS are similar. It's not necessary to be, suppose it was 7.
Not similar.
Understood? So you cannot conclude always rectangles are similar. Okay, understood or not? Always rectangles are not similar. But you cannot tell they never be similar. Means their question will be give 2 examples of 2 non-similar figures. Can you write 2 rectangles? No. Rhombus. Are 2 rhombus are similar always?
Sometimes.
Size ratio will come, but the angles will not be equal now. Yes or no? Rhombus also not necessarily to be always similar. Okay, like that. Follow the conditions.
Yes.
Okay. Now, non-similar figures in the example means don't give these rectangle squares. Triangle and a quadrilateral. They are not similar. Circle and a triangle. Never similar. Understood or not?
So how about a pentagon?
Pentagon and the pentagon and the. There are 2 things you have to know. Pentagon is similar to pentagon.
Yes.
Pentagon, all like you are now regular, you know, when square, you know what do you mean by square? Square, now do you, all sides are now. In polygon, there are 2 types. Polygon, there is a regular polygon means. You know what do you mean by regular polygon? Regular polygon. Close. Equilateral triangle is a regular polygon.
So
All sides are equal and all angles are equal. Square is a regular polygon of 4 sides.
Yes.
Now in pentagon also, regular pentagon is there. You know what is a regular pentagon? All sides and all angles are equal. That later I will give the angles of this one. So regular pentagons are always similar. Not any 2 pentagons are not always similar. Any 2 pentagons are not all, hexagons are all not always. Any 2 triangles are not always similar. Understood? If you take a right triangle and an isosceles triangle, not necessarily to be similar. Understood now? What similarity followed? Your first exercise part is over. Okay, take the textbook. Page number with triangle 16 and 17. When is your maths exam? Tuesday.
19.
अच्छा final chapter is not there.
Yes.
19 है.
You also got it.
अरे हाँ तो नहीं बता देंगे.
Maths when you people are starting on 19.
Sir, mine is starting on 20.
Big marks.
कितनी बारी की चीज बोलो?
Chalo. I'm not making you to read all these conditions all here and Siddhi comes on let's say 6.1. Okay. Kaira, sorry. Neera. Okay. Okay. PP. PP. Or read.
All circles are
Exercise. Sina take out exercise 5.6.1.
Just 6.1.
I really like our college.
6.1.
Fill in the blanks using the red word given in the brackets. All circles are
Similar.
Similar. Continue.
All squares are similar.
Similar.
All equilateral triangles are similar.
All equilateral triangles not on that. Okay. Isosceles triangles are not necessarily to be similar. Equilateral triangles are always similar. Okay. Continue. Darshan.
Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are
Proportional. Follow now?
Yes.
Okay. Next. Darshan.
given two different examples of pair of similar figures.
Okay. Then
Similar figures, two squares,
two
equilateral
equilateral triangles. So two circles.
Similar
Okay.
triangles.
You. Samar.
Non-similar figures. Circle and triangle.
Circle and triangle.
Circle and rectangle.
Circle and
Rectangle.
rectangle. Okay. Okay. Triangle and rectangle. Okay. Ritika.
Statement is the following quadrilateral are similar or not.
Then check the corresponding angles. Angle A and angle P are they equal? No. Where corresponding sides you check 3 upon 1.5. Everything is 3.1 upon 5 now. The corresponding sides are proportional, but corresponding angles are not equal. Reason asked all of you followed. Here the corresponding sides are proportional, whereas corresponding angles are not equal. Array, do you know what do we say? Two polygons are similar.
When the sides.
Sides are proportional and angles are equal. Is it angles are equal? Check angle A and angle P. Not angle A, B, C, D. Angle A should be equal to angle P. Is it
Not
angle?
equal.
No.
नहीं है.
They are equal only, then similarity will come now. So what is the similarity means? Corresponding angles are equal, sides are proportional. Means side proportionality is not enough. For polygons, later you will study for triangles. Side proportionality is enough. Whereas for the this one polygons, it's not. Both the conditions satisfied. Understood this much? Okay. Next, Aryan, continue reading. Continue read. Okay. Read. Similarity of triangles. Before congruent triangle, okay. Two triangles are said to be congruent.
Their corresponding angles are congruent and their corresponding sides are equal.
That is congruent. Okay. Next, similar triangles.
Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are congruent and their corresponding sides are proportional.
Are you followed the same statement of this one? Then below read not.
In congruent triangles, the corresponding sides are equal. Whereas in similar triangles, the corresponding sides are proportional.
So what is the difference between similar triangle and congruent triangles? What is the difference between similar triangles and congruent triangles? In congruent triangles, corresponding sides are equal, whereas in similar triangle, corresponding sides are proportional. That is the difference. Angles are same, corresponding angles are equal in both the cases. Difference asked means you should know. Understood now? Next.
So can this be also like some figures have same shape but not the same size? We can add that also.
But you know, try geometry part of the shape size not right. Okay, that is objects is coming. When it is coming geometrical figures, triangles and all it is coming, triangle, quadratic is coming. Okay, Alia, read the next theorem.
Yes. Theorem 6.1 basic proportionality theorem.
Or Taylor's theorem. Okay, it's known as BPT. Okay, have you seen? There is a left side, there is a star is marked. You know, star theorem means you have to remember the proof. Proof will be coming in the exam. Those who are coming in the exam, possibly the proof can come in the exam for your school exams. Okay, okay. This time, even the other theorems are deleted. Okay, all of you can close your. All of you close your volume and listen. This proof I am going to explain. Theorem, whenever writing the theorem means you have to write certain statements and all. First of all, listen carefully.
Sir, is your food.
Switch off. Don't make your book up. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, listen. Next. Okay. Okay. I'm going to tell one statement. You have to reply. Huh? Who? Darshan. Again. Okay. I'll ask them to slap you. Actually, listen. Now we are going to get the statement. Whenever I tell the geometrical statement, you have to listen, imagine, and what is the figure comes, then you can easily remember. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersects the other two sides in distinct points. I repeat, listen. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersects the other two sides in distinct points. Distinct means you know. Yes. Then it divides these two sides in the same ratio. Followed?
Yes.
Okay, who can tell the statement? Ashwita. Diagram, no. So if a line is
When the parallel line is drawn.
not parallel,
A line
if a
parallel
line
to
is
one
not
line
parallel.
A line drawn parallel to one side of the triangle, which
Intersects the other two sides
of the triangle distinctly. Then both the
Then this line divides the two sides in equal ratios.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay, this theorem is called basic proportionality theorem. I repeat the statement. Then nowadays statement generally doesn't come. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersects the other two sides in distinct points, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio or divide the sides proportionally. That also you can write. Listen carefully. Yes. Triangle ABC. I'll draw a line. Let's say B, A, B, C, D, E. Parallel line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. Means what is it? What is it? D is drawn parallel to BC. Then it intersect distinct point means D meet AB at D, AC at E. Then you divide the two sides in equal ratio. Means what? AD upon DB is equal to AE upon DC. Are you followed? So what should be given in this statement? Or this specific triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC. Okay, so first condition. Now we are going to prove. We are going to learn. For proving this one, listen. Writing the proof means proof contains 5 to 6 parts are there. First one is you will draw a figure, rough and neat figure you draw. Next is you will write given. Given means from the figure what is given according to the state. Next you will write what to prove. Next is called construction. If sometimes construction required, sometimes it is not required. It is construction there, you write there is construction. Next part is called proof. Proof means how we are getting the answer, proving the statement. First is you will draw the figure, then you will write given. Given is what? In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Intersecting and all it's not required. Okay. Then to prove, what we have to prove? AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Okay, this is the condition. Construction. Construction is you draw perpendiculars from D. These are the perpendiculars drawn. Let's say P, Q. Okay, EP is perpendicular to AB. DQ is perpendicular to AC. Join BE and CD. 4 constructions we have done. First construction, DQ perpendicular to which side? AC. EP perpendicular to AB. Join BE and CD. This much is clear?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Draw DQ perpendicular to AC. Perpendicular means you know what in perpendicular 90 degrees. AE, AC, everything. No, this is perpendicular to this side. Perpendicular to side means it is perpendicular to AQ, it is perpendicular to AE, it is perpendicular to AC, or it is perpendicular to EQ. All this is perpendicular to one side. EP perpendicular to what? Full part is AB. Join BE and CD. Okay, that is it. Simple way, you don't learn, so you write it. Okay. Now I'm going to tell the proof. Before telling the proof, I need to explain certain one. You know what's the area of a triangle? What is the area of a triangle? Okay, so if I take it as, let's say, if I take the triangle as this way. What is the area of triangle ABC?
Half into AD.
Half into base into height. What is the base over here?
BC.
BC into AD.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Obtuse.
Area of triangle ABC is equal to half base. Base is BC into AD. Are you followed?
BC.
Base triangle is which one?
Right angle triangle.
What is the triangle I wrote over here?
ABC.
If the question is asked ABC, no, I will write DBC.
Sorry.
Huh?
Okay.
If the question is asked DBC, then that's something different. DBC is no.
Triangle
ADC.
AD में तो नहीं AD क्यों लिया?
Huh?
Sorry,
that
AD
is-
क्यों लिया?
Okay. Look here. Over here. Do you know what is? Listen. Do you know what is mean by height? Perpendicular drawn to a side. Here you cannot draw a perpendicular inside. Perpendicular can be outside. Okay. From one vertex you can draw only one perpendicular. Understood now? Okay. This is the first condition. Everything is there now? Everything is there now? Okay, then close. Listen. Okay. Look here. Now listen over here. What is the area of triangle ADB?
Half into base into height.
Half into BD into AD. What is the area of triangle ADC? Half into DC into AD. Are you followed? Height is same. If I extend this over here.
Yeah, triangle.
Okay. What is the area of triangle AFB?
Yeah.
It's a AFB.
AFB.
Half into
FD
AD.
into AD. Are you following or not?
Yes.
Sure, all of you followed.
Yes, sir.
Means from a vertex, how many perpendicular you can draw? One. With the base, I can join this way. Another triangle, I can draw another triangle. Lot of triangles will come, but perpendicular will remain the same. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
No confusion.
No.
No. Okay. Okay. So. Okay. Chalo, this much is clear. Another property which you were supposed to study in the 9th standard, but it is deleted. Listen carefully. This is A means no. You have to learn now. Now, deleted does not mean that it is deleted. No, nobody deleted is for the COVID only. COVID is over. Now you have to. Don't tell now what's the COVID is. Okay. Now, now, look here. Next property is, listen carefully. Triangles with the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. That I will explain a little later, okay, because you will area itself is confused, so that I will explain. Triangles with the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. This chapter who all are done in school?
Triangles अभी चालू करा है.
चालू करें.
Okay.
D is here. D
Okay, listen now. Over here. Now proof I am going to tell. First, consider triangle ADE. Have you seen triangle ADE?
Yes.
Identify. The one more thing. Whenever I tell triangle ADE, you should not look up to here. ADE means you have to close this figure. ADE, not this much. That is the angle only you see. A triangle BDC. What it is? BDC. Then only you will identify the side and angle. Triangle BEC. BEC. Is it enough? No. Close. Okay, get back. Then only you will see which is the common angle, common side, vertex, sides, and all. Okay. If it is BEC, angle is DC. Whereas BED's angle is this one. Name is there, E is common, but they are not common. If I take triangle ADE and triangle ABE. Both of the angles A is same. Are you identifying?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to see that one. I repeat, triangle ADE and triangle ABE. Angle A is same for both of them. Angle E is not same.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
ADE is angle E is this much. AB is angle this much. Are you follow the difference?
Yes.
So you have to, whenever seeing means you have to look at completely the triangle. The first is area of triangle ADE. Have you seen identified the triangle ADE?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen triangle ADE?
Yes, sir.
Base I am going to take AD. Then formula equal to half into base AD into
B.
into what is it?
P.
DP or P. Okay, DP half base into height. All of you followed? Now. Okay now. Look, ADE. AD is the base. So perpendicular start from the third vertex. From here check which is a perpendicular. This is a perpendicular. Okay, now I'm going to take area of triangle BDE. Have you seen triangle BDE?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so look at
Half into
base is BD.
Half into BD into
EP.
DC.
BC, EP. Look here, if it is DB is the base from E, where is the perpendicular? Only one perpendicular EP. Are you followed, all of you? Yes or no? Is there anyone no?
Sir, I didn't understand.
Anika.
Look here. Look, triangle BDE. Vertex. That's whenever any girl is speaking to me, yes, first time. House who is there? Girls, anyone? Mummy only is there? That's all. Yeah, look. Next class, I will make you to sit in between the girls.
Yeah,
They will hit you. Okay, look here. Triangle BDE. Base, if I take as BD, perpendicular from E to the opposite side. E to the opposite side is this one. Perpendicular is EP. Are you followed? Anika, are you followed? Therefore, it is equal to half into DB into EP. Okay. Now look here. This is the one. Now we are going to divide. When you divide, what you get? Area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE. What will be left out? Half is AD into AD upon DD only. Now remaining all cancel now.
Yes, sir.
Half of cancel, EP cancel. Followed or not?
Yeah, say ha.
No, ha.
Okay.
Okay. Sure. Arey, half and half is cancel.
Ha.
This part still confusion.
No.
No. Oh. Okay. Now, next is again I am going to take area of triangle ADE. This side, this time you will take the other side. Half into AE into what?
A into DQ.
DQ. Yes or no? See?
Yes, sir.
Base into height. That should not be a problem. Okay. Why we are taking, we will come to know. Okay.
That was
Now we will
biology.
take area of triangle CBD. Now look here, area of triangle CDE. Have you seen triangle CDE?
Yes, sir.
That is half into EC into DQ. Yes or no? Yes or no, sir?
Yes.
Look here. This is the triangle. Base is this one. From here, where is the perpendicular go this side? From perpendicular is not necessarily inside the triangle, remember. Okay, this is the base means look at the third vertex to the opposite side. Anika, are you listening? That is, next is so divide. So what do you leave it? Area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle CDE is equal to AE upon EC. This also is followed. Everyone followed now?
Yes, sir.
No problem.
Yes.
Now we have to look at the RHS AD by DB AE upon EC. That you have to prove equal. To prove equal, LHS should be equal. Equally equal. ADE and AD, numerator same. Look at the denominator. BDE and CDE. Listen carefully. I just said, one property. What is the property? Triangles with the same base and between the same parallel. Look here. It is not BPT. These are two parallel lines.
Yes.
Triangle ABC. Have you seen triangle ABC?
Yes, sir.
And a triangle, let's say PBC.
Yes.
They have, look at here.
अरे आप उधर तक जाते हो.
BC is the base and they are between the same parallels. If this way drawing means area of triangle ABC will be equal to area of triangle PBC. They have the same base BC and they are between the same parallels. Okay. How about this one, RBC? Are they equal? No, because they are not the same. Understood, all of you? Followed? Krishna? Krishna?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you tell, okay, from this figure, can you tell any other pair of triangles equal in area?
Sir, APC.
APC
Yes.
and APB. APC and APB are equal in area. See, base is AP. Are you followed? This property is called what? Triangles with the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. The same property is there for parallelogram also. Parallelograms with the same base and between the same parallels are also equal in area. Third, one more property is there. If a triangle and a parallelogram is with the same base and between the same parallels, area of triangle is half the area of the parallelogram. That is the property. We don't need, just for the time being, you remember this one. Triangles. Now, look here. LHS, now we have to prove LHS of 1 and 2 are equal now. ADE and AD are same thing. Look at BDE and CDE. BDE and CDE. They have the same base DE. And between DE parallel to BC, they are equal in area.
Yes, sir.
Look at BDE. CDE, base is DE, and they are between the same parallels. Therefore, they are equal in area.
Yes, sir.
That is the next step you will write. Area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle, which one? CDE. Reason, both are with the same base DE and between DE between parallels, DE parallel to BC. Therefore, LHS of 1 and 2 are equal. LHS of 1 and 2 are equal means RHS is equal, hence proved AD by DB is equal to AE by BC. Proof is clear?
Yes.
All of you followed?
Yes.
All of you stand up? Oh, pilot, 5 years dreaming or something. Something went inside. Nothing is gone inside now. Good now. Somebody should give you now. Those who followed can sit down. Who followed? Tell now. Which step you are not followed? Last, this part. This you have followed here till here. Sure. This are not followed. The property is triangles with the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Triangle BDE and triangle CDE have the same base DE and between the parallel DE parallel to BC. Are you followed? Therefore, they are equal in area.
Yeah. Sir, इसको AC
Yeah, I'm
चाहिए.
telling you, if this AC got spoiled, mean hello. This is so they tell him now.
What is this behavior?
If this switch got on, then it will be then throughout sometime till get it prepared, then you will some sit over there. You cannot do one of you cannot.
Sir, मैं तो अंदर की तरफ बैठा हूँ.
So you will leave it now.
कितने नंबर है तेरे?
Are you followed? Therefore, LHS of 1 and 2 are equal. RH is equal. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Are you following this one? There no. This proof is important. You have to learn. You have to remember. Proof comes in the exam. It can come. I don't know which is done in your school or not. Done?
Yes.
Done? Follow now.
Yes, sir.
Proof is there in your textbook. This theorem is called which one? Basic proportionality theorem or BPT short form. Okay, remember. Now, so to apply this theorem, what should be given?
Parallel.
D parallel to BC. To D parallel to BC, what will you get? AD by DB. Okay, all in this. Okay, I'll show once again that condition. Proof is I hope all of you followed. Now, if it is written on this way, let's say in triangle PQR. AB parallel to QR. So what will you conclude? Hello? Then what will you conclude? TA upon AQ is equal to PLP upon PR. Then what will you write the reason? Basic proportion. Is it A is the midpoint?
Yes.
Not necessary.
Why? Okay, it is not
You
given.
have to just take are they parallel, that's all. Okay, maybe P midpoint, we don't know. It is given, okay. We have, suppose even if I draw this way, that is why I drawn that way. Suppose if I draw this one.
Sir, what if I not given parallel?
If you don't given parallel, you cannot apply.
So first you will prove parallel,
Then only you can apply. Okay, understood or not? Here. Huh? And if it is given this way, look here. So if it is parallel, then directly you can write PA upon AQ is equal to PB upon. Ritika, are you followed now?
Yes.
Sure. Suppose it is given this way. Then what do you do?
Prove them by corresponding.
Therefore these two angles are equal. Angle PAB is equal to angle PQR. Therefore AB parallel to QR. Then we can apply. So there are ways are there. Okay, somewhere you have to identify is this parallel or some pair of angles equal. Clear all of you?
Yes.
This is called which theorem? Basic proportional theorem. Okay. Converse of basic proportion. Do you know what I mean by converse?
Yes.
What is the meaning of converse?
Opposite.
Opposite means given will change to prove. To prove will change to given. Okay, what is the converse?
So
When?
sir, if PA by QA.
So if
No
two
PAB
sides-
series. No.
If two sides are divided in equal ratio, then the line dividing them is parallel to the third side.
If a line divides two sides in equal ratio, then that line is parallel to the third side. Okay. Why so PA? Don't tell PA QA. No.
But according to this,
Understood now? In a triangle, if a line divides two sides of a triangle in equal ratio, means if PA upon QA or is equal to PB upon RB, then what you conclude?
AB
is parallel to QR. This property is called which property? Converse of basic proportionality. If a line divides two sides of a triangle in equal ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. In this divide these two sides in equal ratio, PA upon AQ is equal to PB upon PR. Therefore, AB is parallel to QR. Understood now? Okay. What happened to Saina? All okay? Your Saina?
Yeah, that is higher. Sorry.
Understood now?
Yes.
All right, no problem. Now, condition is clear. Lesson read. Corollary. Have you heard about the word corollary?
Very.
Yes, who heard? You heard? You know what it is? Corollary means
So we can make more statement out of this.
any property obtained from a theorem is called, with the help of the theorem, they are called corollaries. Okay. Now, okay. Western and China is in the same class.
Yes.
Yes. Here also, there also he passes comments all the time.
Yes.
Good.
When our girls only talking, only he tells.
You do रही सर मैं चुपचाप बैठा रहता हूँ
हाँ वैसे चुप बैठ
सिर्फ आंसर बोलता हूँ
Oh,
nice.
nice.
और वहाँ पे तो गलत ही होता है
ऐसे ही है
Now look here. So if PQ is parallel to BC, what did you get? AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. This is called basic proportionality. Suppose if I add 1 on both sides, you can add now?
Yes sir.
Take its LCM. Got it? AP plus PB upon PB is equal to what will you get? AQ plus QC upon QC. Look at the figure. What is AP plus PB? AB by PB is equal to AC by QC. This is called a corollary income. See? AB upon PB is equal to AC by QC. It's easy to remember. Look here. If correspond, look here. AP's corresponding part is what? AQ. BP's corresponding part is what? QC. AB's corresponding part is what? AC. Whichever the ratio you take, if I take AP upon AB, it will be equal to. Other side is saying now. AP is other side. AQ upon QC. AB means what? AC. If it is coming as BP upon AB, then what will you get? BP is corresponding to what?
QC
upon AC.
QC upon AC. These are called corollaries of each other. Which one?
AB upon AB.
AP upon AP upon AB is equal to AQ upon AC. They are corollaries.
प्लस करना था आपने या फिर बीबी उसी टाइप क्यों लिया?
हाँ?
या फिर प्लस
LCM.
अच्छा अच्छा ओके.
Okay.
Sir,
Sir,
I'm said to write AP and then BP.
AP and
AP and then BP. Do not write AP and BP. For why?
both are same thing.
AB and B.
But man said it's not valid.
There is nothing like that. This is not vectors, okay? There is other vectors.
सर हमको एक और प्रॉपर्टी मैं कल नेक्स्ट टाइम स्कूल के नोट्स को लेकर आऊंगी उसके अंदर हमको एक प्रॉपर्टी बताइए जिसके अंदर कोई ऐसा कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. उसमें एक प्रॉपर्टी बताइए जिसमें ऐसे कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
ऐसी कुछ भी लिख दिया होगा सर इनके
मैं लेकर आऊंगी सिर्फ लेकर
Okay, understood. Understood now. Look here.
और बैड ही खा रहे
See, look. What is written now here? What is B2 centimeter?
बीबी
PB or BP? If you tell BP also 2 centimeter, PB both the same thing.
yes
There is ratio of PB, BP and all. It is for the directions, physics, vectors, magnitude, directions, quantities. That is other one. We don't have nothing to do with it. Okay. Order generally we write as A, B, B, AQ, QC. If it is opposite also written, no problem. Okay now.
Okay, sir.
All right. Basic proportionality theorem, converse. This part is clear. This part is over. Now we have to main part is the exercise. Huh?
5 minutes left.
Let's do something.
एक क्वेश्चन
Tell me, okay, hello, if you people wanted the exercise next class, next week, I will keep one lecture.
yes sir
Sir, I will not.
But all of you should go.
yes sir
Sir, polynomials में do we have gamma and cubic polynomials?
no
Cubic polynomials are deleted part only.
Sir, लेकिन हमारी मैम ने कराया है.
अरे, okay,
सिर्फ 2.1 और 2.2 क्या है
ठीक है.
see, we also done 3, how many zeros are there? 3, alpha, beta, gamma. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus B by A. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to C by A. We have done this one. Alpha.
No, sir, we have not done that.
D by A.
Sir, नहीं किया है.
We have not done any question based. This is a property only. Did you open your volume?
तो किया बट ये नहीं
हाँ, ये
because NCERT में गामा है और वॉल्यूम में गामा नहीं है।
नहीं है हाँ इंजीनियरिंग में कहाँ
Give
गिरा
you-
होगा थोड़ा बहुत।
give you-
नहीं
Polygon is there.
अरे वो delete हो गया delete हो
बहुत स्मार्ट है
Read the please read loudly. Let me hear.
ये गामा है।
Read.
गामा is series of the
That much only in NCERT also. They don't have any question based on. If these questions come, means it is based on joint with AP. If three roots are in AP, there previously it was there. Nowadays it is not there. If three roots are in AP, you can take one as A minus B, A plus B like that. Then sum will come directly one root size. Nowadays that all things are deleted. Deleted means not there. Okay. Now listen. So if required, you all the request you put, so then I can.
ज्यादा समय सुजीत मैम को बोल दे सुजीत मैम को नीचे
All if you are wanted.
Yes, sir.
The request
So we
comes.
want
जैसा हाथ खड़े करने बोला चिकू चाहिए।
हाँ?
सब करेंगे ना हाँ आएगा तो बोलना है बस खत्म
हाँ मैं देखो जुगाड़ में बस करता हूँ।
हाँ, बस.
Okay. Because now I don't have. Okay, one of here, listen here. One of the questions just see lecture. No need to do open the page number 120. Some basic thing 120. On the first question just see.
yes 6.2
In figure PQ parallel to BC. AP is equal to 3 centimeters. BP is equal to 6 centimeters. CQ is 5.3. Find AQ. So how do you write?
BP is equals to AQ.
So that is no. What she said is correct now. First statement you write here in triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to BC. Therefore, AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Three things are there. Cross multiply, simplify 2.65 centimeters. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That is a very type of question. But proving questions will come in the exams. One of them comes in the exam. Okay, then chalo, thank you. Bye.
बाय सर
Thank you.
Okay, then bye.
लेकिन सब कुछ समझ तो लिया.
वो एक